Hey guys, Dave Johnson with City Motors here. Here we have our 2015 Toyota Prius. Now I can tell you, if you're not very familiar with the Prius, in my opinion, they are one of the best cars ever manufactured. I've been doing this for almost a quarter century, and I can tell you, I've seen about every car ever made, driven about every car ever made, and owned just about all of them. And I can tell you the Toyota Prius is, in my opinion, the best car ever manufactured. It's very spacious. You have the hatchback design that's going to give you a ton of room here. That privacy shade will pop out. Those seats will fold down into a 60-40 split, and you can see the wide opening there. Gives you a ton of cargo space. I have a full pictorial of this car and all the seat configurations at citymotors.net. Make sure you check that out. You have additional storage underneath here, and I mean tons of storage underneath there. You have your little grab handle there, make it easy to shut. And one of the biggest misconceptions with Prius is that you don't have a ton of room. That's incorrect. This thing has a ton of room. You have the folding center console there. And again, this one does have your proximity key, which means you touch it to lock it. It's that simple. As long as the key is on you, that's all you need to do. As soon as you touch the handle, it unlocks. This one has all power there. All four windows are auto up or auto down. You have the height adjustable seat. Of course, your adjustable mirrors. You do everything from the steering wheel in a Prius. You can control your temperature there. You can do your stereo. You can access your phone. All this streams to your premium audio there. You do have a CD player, and of course you can stream your audio from your phone straight there. You do have auto climate control, set it and forget it. You do have 3 drive modes. You have your EV mode, which is electric only. You have your econo mode to help you maximize your fuel economy. And you do have your power mode to give you a little bit more power. Of course, this one does have the automatic transmission with the electronic brake option. Again, very clean, local trade, very well maintained. I can tell you, I have owned 4 of these cars. I currently own 2 of them. One of them is this exact same color. I have put over 250,000 miles on one. One of mine I currently have 215,000 miles on it. And I can tell you, I've not even put a set of brakes on any Prius I've ever owned. Extraordinarily durable. These things just don't break, guys. You can get tons of miles out of them. With less than 50,000 miles, this one has a ton of life left in it. Don't miss this one. They are very hard to find. This one is in very good condition. Again, locally traded, has tons of factory warranty on it. And at City Motors, we don't have any processing fees. That could be a big deal, because I know one of the biggest trends in the automobile industry is skyrocketing processing fees. We're seeing them go from $500 to $1,500 now. That is ridiculous, guys. Don't pay that. You don't have to worry about it here. No processing fees. Call us or text us anytime at 540-433-7335. Again, I've been doing this for a long time. In my opinion, the Prius is the best car ever manufactured. Come on in, sit down with me, let me tell you why. Don't miss this one, guys. Hope to see you soon. Thanks for stopping by.